What's up guys, it's me. 5 questions about learning programming language. So here are the 5 questions. Question 1. How I can learn practical easily? The best thing you will learn about programming practical easily is building some real work. Some real apps, especially in PHP, building some real data pulling app for Android, build some real prototype of a game or a app, build something real, which you can immediately deploy in the real world is the way to go, to be honest with you. So now number 2 is that what should I do daily for learning programming? I read books more than 1 hour. Okay, what is the best way to do daily for learning programming language? I mean, the best way for learning programming daily, the best way is that revise your notes. Nothing better than can be. That better than that one. It doesn't really matter you have physical notes or a one note. If you're not taking notes while you're learning programming, you are doing a mistake. Take notes and then revise your note. Nowadays, I will be suggesting you use OneNote. Install the OneNote client on your smartphone or your tablet. Whenever you have time, just open it, revise your note, which is the best thing you can do for learning programming daily. Number 3 is that is just that enough. Is just that enough. Revising the notes is just that enough. Building some practical apps is just that enough. Yes, that's enough. That's enough. A lot of people think I did a mistake when I was starting off. I buy a lot of books. I wasted a lot of money. Some of them are really very crappy book. I spent like easily $1,000. Buying nearly every HTML CSS because when I was newbie JavaScript, I was staying away. HTML CS book. I spent a lot of money back in $2 $3. I was thinking I'm going to become an expert. That is not going to happen. I was questioning myself at that time. Is that enough? I said no. I need to buy some more book. No, that's enough. Question number 4 is that which free website should you do for coding? Code Academy, you already know. But personally, I love the Code Combat. I learned programming. You can easily learn programming by playing a RPG game, Code Combat. The link is in the description box. Block Code Combat is my favorite. Number 5, what can I do extra which is essential for a student who want to become a programmer? Okay, this is the best advice I can give you and the most horrible. I once asked my wife, "You look really stupid to me." She said, "What?" I said, "Yes. You spend like last 16 hours on a computer." She did not come on. She was spending her night in the lab, and then in the morning I went to university to bring the breakfast for her. She was dizzy. 16 hour coding, debugging. It was mostly. I just said directly. She said, "You don't know, Jimmy. You don't know. I have a bug in my software, but I need to give the report to professor. I need to take out this bug. I'm not going to stop until I take out this bug." That is the best advice. Whenever you sit on the computer, just do. Unless you are Muslim like me, you need to pray 5 days. So whenever on my computer I need to pray. So I have like some movement, my body movement. Or for example, for you, just go to toilet for 5 or 10 minutes, just drink water. That is the maximum you can do. 10 hours, 15 hours, 16 hours, do not stand up from your computer. Keep going on, keep doing. That is the best advice I can give you. So, it was me, Jimmy. Check out the links in the description box below. If you want to learn coding, if you want to learn about IT, Linda, if you want to change your life, the power of the Hubbard book, if you need a hosting company, HostGator, all of the links are in the description box below. Subscribe.